Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So, a few days ago, I released a video. The title was Apartheid That Bad? And what I did is I told one true story during apartheid that benefited black people. Now, this video got more than 11,000 views. And the comment box were filled. I think more than 250 comments that were left. And the reason for this video is that on this video we're going to ask ourselves the question, is South Africa really that good in 2025? So I want to use this example. You all know that 5 days ago Israel and Iran started bombing each other. So I got this article from CNN, and I'll put it up for you quickly. So you'll see this article refers to the deaths. So on the Iranian side, 224 people died, and on the Israeli side, 24 people died. So if you total that up together, you will get to a total of an estimated 248. Now, it's a war zone, so one is not 100% sure of the numbers of deaths. But if you divide that by 5, it gives you 49.6. So let's make it 50. So 50 deaths on average per day in a war zone where they use missiles, ballistic missiles, bombs from fighter jets, hypersonic missiles. Yet in South Africa in 2025, we have a murder rate between 70 and 80 people per day. And ladies and gentlemen, that is without missiles and rockets and fighter jet planes and explosives. That is just a normal day in South Africa. So the reason I made the video was apartheid so bad is because I was trying to open the mind of certain people in South Africa a bit more. Because please tell me, in 2025 we have an unemployment youth rate of 60 to 70%. That is extremely bad. 70% or 60% of our youth have no employment. Okay, and you want to tell me that 50 years into democracy, South Africa has got a success story to tell. And unfortunately, and I've said this many times before, the black voters will keep on being punished if they are going to keep on voting for these corrupt people. This is South African Patriot. Please like, share and subscribe. And God bless.